Salve a tutti, siamo oggi qui presenti con Silvia Osong della Catholic Marketing Network, nota anche come CMN, e le andrò a chiedere appunto di che cosa si occupano di preciso e che cosa cercano qui a Devotio. So, hi Silvia, it's
Hi.
really nice to have you here.
Thank you so much for having me.
That's really nice. And so I'm going to ask you, first of all, what you're looking in Devotio, and exactly, can you tell about your reality, your core business, what you do?
Okay. Well, first of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk about CMN, a Catholic Marketing Network. We're based out of the United States of America, and we do something similar. We have a religious trade show, and we bring together publishers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers of religious products. Coming to Devotio, I was looking to connect with a lot of European and manufacturers and to see how the European market is doing, because I think there is a lot of interest from our United States wholesalers and retailers about the authentic, Italian and European products.
High quality products, you mean?
High quality products,
right.
Yes.
And is it your first time here? Or no?
It is my first time to Devotio, yes.
Ok, so Silvia ci ha gentilmente detto che è la primissima volta che si trovano qui a Devotio. Innanzitutto ci ha anche ringraziato per questa profittevole partnership che è nata e che in realtà si sta susseguendo nel tempo e che speriamo di proseguire. E loro ovviamente si occupano anche loro di organizzazione di eventi che però non sono in Europa ma bensì negli Stati Uniti, eventi a cui partecipano ovviamente produttori così come anche rivenditori, quello che è il mondo ecclesiastico. When was born the Catholic Marketing Network? When exactly?
When exactly?
Yeah.
I would say we started some 27, 28 years ago when Mr. Alan Napleton started the organization. Okay. And he started it out of a need for connecting the manufacturers and the suppliers because there was no distribution channel. So this was an opportunity for him to be able to link the two parties together, because when you produce a product, you want the product to go to the end user, which is the consumers, but somebody has to help with the distribution so that way you can reach more people.
Okay, so the main objective of this project was that to create a connection between manufacturers and resellers, right?
Correct.
Ok, so ho appena chiesto a Silvia Osong di dirmi esattamente quando questo progetto, la loro realtà sia nata. Ebbene, la loro realtà, la CMN, è nata esattamente 27-28 anni fa, con l'obiettivo unico di andare a creare una connessione diretta tra i produttori e ovviamente anche quelli che sono i rivenditori. Quindi si parla di una connessione diretta. So you probably think that the direct contact between people, among people, is very important, right?
Correct.
Correct.
Direct contact is very important, and also I believe that the religious market has a lot to play in the faith journey of everybody.
Okay.
We can think, oh, I'm producing this rosary or this medal, but why are you producing it? It's because it's going to help someone that is walking their faith journey.
Because you believe in what you do,
faith.
right?
Correct. So the religious market is very important in our Catholic faith journey because it helps all of us, the products help all of us grow in faith. So when we have an opportunity for products that are made and distributed, good quality products made and distributed, it goes a long way to help people in their faith life and help them go to heaven, which is the most beautiful thing to be part of.
Ok, great. So, quello che ha chiesto appunto poco fa è di base, quindi lei crede in quello che è il contatto diretto tra le persone, quindi non a caso la loro realtà nata 28 anni fa nasce appunto per creare questi nuovi contatti. Parla anche di prodotti di alta qualità, prodotti che hanno avuto anche l'opportunità di vedere qui a Devotio. Quello che mi ha gentilmente detto è che è importante il prodotto religioso. Perché? Perché diventa un prodotto personale, no? Un prodotto da portarsi dietro, e più il prodotto ha una qualità, più questo, diciamo, dura nel tempo, e di certo è un qualcosa questo che ha avuto modo di vedere durante la sua visita qui a Devotio. So, last question. Everything went smoothly here.
Yes.
Did you get some new links, contacts in these days or not?
Correct. Well, absolutely. It's been a really good event for us. Since we came here yesterday, the first day of the event, we have a lot of interest from a lot of producers here at Devotio. And I think this is the reason why we're here, to connect our US
To the European market.
With the European market, because there is a need for authentic, good products that are coming from Europe, especially from Italy. And for us, we are opening up the opportunity for all of the producers here to come to the United States, because I think the United States loves products that are coming from here.
You know the American dream, right?
Yeah, the American dream.
It's still alive, so yeah.
It's still very much alive, even in our religious lives.
Of course.
Everybody loves good products, and I think a lot of the exhibitors that have come to us are asking, how do I set up distribution? How do I increase my sale in the United States? Oh, I have a product, but I have never been to the United States market, and I want to get to the United States market. That's why we are here, to help them, get them connected with our United States market. So for us, it's really been a great event, exceeded my expectation. I'm so happy for what you're doing, and I'm glad to be part of this beautiful conference.
We are also glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Allora, quello che ho appena chiesto a Silvia di base è che cosa ne pensa, se ha avuto dei contatti nuovi in questi 2 giorni. Ebbene sì, è molto soddisfatta, addirittura oltre le sue aspettative, e è riuscita a raggiungere nuove persone, nuovi contatti, persone che sono interessate a quello che potrebbe essere il mercato americano, statunitense. Di base il loro obiettivo è anche quello di aiutare queste persone, queste nuove attività, o anche attività in auge, di potersi in qualche modo collegare con quello che è il mercato statunitense. Quindi la loro realtà si pone come una realtà che va ad aiutare queste compagnie, queste aziende, manufacturer appunto, nel mercato statunitense. Ok, I promise I've got one last question, very last, ok? Un'ultimissima domanda. What do you think about the digital world? Ok?
Right. So I think the digital world is exploding.
Okay.
A lot of technology is being put into businesses now to help efficiency.
Even here in the religious market?
Yes. Yeah. I think the religious market is one step behind, but I think there is an opportunity for the religious market to also become digitized.
Okay.
Because when we digitize everything, we can reach more people across the globe.
It's more comfortable to reach also other companies, which are not, for example, in America, but are on other states.
There is an opportunity to reach a lot more people across the ocean. Yeah. Because if you just have the event here and you don't have a digital way to connect people, it's good, but then I think it's even better for the business to be able to have a digital platform, to be able to spread its services across every
border.
Every border or every state, every nation, every continent. You know, why not? Because with a click of a button, you can reach people in Africa, you can reach people in Asia, you can reach people in America.
Yeah, with a simple connection.
With a simple connection. So I love what you're doing with the online marketplace that you're doing.
You mean Religio, yeah?
Yeah, Religio. And it's a beautiful platform. I think it would help with the advertisers on there to reach even more customers abroad. And we with CMN are also doing something similar, so I think we have a lot of opportunity here to reach a lot more people here in the Europe.
Yeah, we will work on it together,
so
right?
we have to keep working together to help each other to reach more wider continents to be able to.
I perfectly see you. So,
Yes.
yeah. L'ultima domanda che ho fatto a Silvia di base è quello che pensa sul mondo digitale. Ebbene, sul mondo digitale diciamo che ha un'ottica positiva, molto positiva e ottimistica. Tuttavia si rende conto che magari il settore religioso è un passo indietro rispetto magari ad altri settori. Nonostante questo non si perde d'animo, anzi in realtà trova che sia utile il digitale. Perché? Perché con una semplice connessione riusciamo a raggiungere diversi paesi e continenti, quindi non c'è bisogno di spostarsi, ma sostanzialmente possiamo raggiungere anche più persone. Non a caso infatti ha appena ringraziato, anzi ha menzionato della nostra eventuale anche partnership, no? Con la loro realtà, con la CMN, riguardo a quello che è il contatto online. Loro ovviamente sono interessati, noi siamo interessati e ovviamente ci auspichiamo che la nostra collaborazione possa proseguire nel tempo. Ha lodato ovviamente Religio, crede anche lei in questo progetto, così come anche noi crediamo in Religio. Ok, un'ultima cosa. Silvio giustamente ci vuole raccontare, anzi ricordare di un appuntamento importante a giugno, organizzato dalla CMN. Quindi adesso, so Silvia, please remind us about the event that you will actually have on June.
Correct. Thank you. So, speaking of digital and technology and all that, the importance, we have an online trade show conference in June. And the goal with this event is to be able to open it up to even people that are not physically present in the United States. So on June 20th and 21st, we will have an online trade show and conference, and we will offer the opportunity for exhibitors to showcase products from all across the globe. So
when it will be on 20th and 21st?
Yes.
Or just, okay, 2 days? It will
yes,
be 2 days.
just a 2 days online event, and very affordable. You don't have to travel, you don't have to bring products, but what you can do is do showcases and show your products to interested retailers and wholesale buyers. We will be online, and we hope that all of your DEVOTIO members and participants can be a part of that event as well. It will be a good way for them to test the United States market and see the interest. And then next year, when we decide on the date for our in-person events, then we can now invite people to come face to face.
Physically.
But I think with digital opportunity, there is a good return on investment for people to take part, because it's easy to connect with all of the online
events.
Yeah, online abilities. Okay. You know, all the online, the different online platforms that are out there, helping members, helping people connect from all over the world.
So in order to reach the link, people just have to go to your website.
Yeah, you have to go to our website, catholicmarketingnetwork.com/events, and all the information is on there, how to sign up, how to attend, and how to be a part of it.
Ok, perfect. So, ricollegandoci al discorso del digital, ricordiamo, anzi Silvia ci tiene a ricordare dell'evento che si terrà a giugno, specificamente dal 20 al 21 giugno. Si tratta di un evento online organizzato dalla Catholic Marketing Network, e l'evento appunto è un'occasione innanzitutto anche per gli espositori, eventualmente espositori italiani ma anche europei, che possono essere interessati a far conoscere anche i loro prodotti in quello che è il mondo americano. Quindi noi invitiamo caldamente tutti quanti a voler partecipare, e per poter partecipare ci sarà poi un link che potrà essere cliccabile direttamente sul loro sito, sulla catholicmarketingnetwork.com/events. Quindi invitiamo tutti quanti a venire, insomma, a partecipare all'evento. Thank you so much. You've been so cool, really. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Me too.